Hello! Are you designing your brand new home? In today's video, we're diving into the top kitchen cabinet style. From contemporary to classic, we got you covered. Stick around for perfect design for your kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe for more custom kitchenery inspiration. Hit that bell button so you'll never miss an update. First up is regular kitchen cabinet style. This style features a simple, clean design with a 5-piece door and recessive middle panel. It's a versatile option that fits perfectly into contemporary and classic style. Next up is the slim shaker kitchen cabinet style. It's similar to the regular shaker, but with slimmer frame pieces. It will give more contemporary and refined appearance. This shaker is perfect for people who want to add more elegance touch. And it also ability to make smaller kitchen appear more spacious due to its slimmer, so contemporary aesthetics blends with minimalistic style. If you love the natural look, consider wood veneer cabinet styles. This one is walnuts. From real wood to real wood veneer, we have lots of choices. They bring warmth and rustic charm to your kitchen. Unique patterns adds different textures to your kitchen. It creates versatile finishes and it brings nature to your home. For those who want to make a statement, colored kitchen cabinet styles are the way to go. Whether you like bold blue colors or light pastels, colors can complement or contrast with the other design elements in your home. To choose a different color, you can keep up with the design trends. Lighter colors can brighten up your darker kitchen. Finally, the slab door kitchen style. This style is perfect for a sleek look. This door features flat doors with no frame for contemporary and simplest aesthetic. This is clean and creates an uncluttered look, and it's also easy to clean due to the lack of grooves. It has versatility in material options, including wood veneer and also high gloss finishing. This style also has the potential to make smaller kitchens appear larger due to their simple look. There you have it. These are the 5 styles you can consider for your brand new California home. Which caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Are you ready to bring your dream kitchen into life? To book a free consultation with us and let our experts to guide you to choose the perfect style. Don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe for more inspiration and tips.